The word for egg in Italian is
uovo,
in its singular form, it's a masculine noun ending in o.
l'uovo, un uovo.
In its plural form, the gender changes because it has an irregular plural. It becomes a feminine noun ending in the letter a
Le uova, delle uova,
and not the letter I,
uovi.
as you might expect. This is because the word is derived from the Old Latin neuter plural ova.
Uovo,
The word uovo is used to describe any kind of egg produced by birds, fish, reptiles, amphibians, or insects.
la gallina ha deposto un uovo nel giardino.
The hen laid an egg in the garden. People enjoy cooking and eating eggs in a variety of ways. Some of the most popular egg dishes include
Uovo sodo,
hard-boiled egg,
uovo strapazzato,
scrambled egg,
uovo all'occhio di bue,
sunny-side-up egg, literally ox-eye egg,
uovo in camicia,
poached egg, literally egg in a shirt. Inside the egg we find two parts,
il tuorlo d'uovo,
egg yolk, which is also known as
il rosso d'uovo,
the red of the egg, and
il bianco d'uovo,
egg white, which also goes by the name of
albume,
or
chiara d'uovo.
the clear part of the egg. But there's one kind of egg that doesn't have either, and that's the
Uovo di Pasqua,
Easter egg. When referring specifically to Easter eggs or when talking to children about eggs, the diminutive term,
ovetto,
literally small egg, is often used instead of uovo. Below are a few common terms you'll come across while browsing through an Easter egg catalog.
uovo di cioccolato,
Chocolate egg,
uovo nocciolato,
hazelnut egg,
ovetti misti,
mixed chocolate eggs,
ovetti confettati.
little eggs coated with a layer of sugar, usually with a filling.
Meglio un uovo oggi che una gallina domani.
Literally, better an egg today than a hen tomorrow. The English equivalent is, a bird in the hand is worth two in the bush.
Cercare il pelo nell'uovo.
Literally, to look for the hair in the egg. The English equivalent is, to split hairs.
Essere pieno come un uovo.
Literally, to be as full as an egg. The English equivalent is, to be very full, when you eat too much.
Grazie per averci seguito.
Thank you for watching, and don't forget to subscribe to our YouTube channel.